Hello, Miss Young here. We're going to look at 3D shapes. Now, I know Miss Jones has been doing some quizzes and PowerPoints to do with 2D and 3D shapes. I hope you enjoy them. So I got a massive bag full of 3D shapes. Now, I collected them. I also went to school yesterday and I got the plastic ones as well, but I thought let's have a bit of fun and see what 3D shapes I can find around the house, which you'll be doing later as well. So we'll have a little bit look at a bit of both. So let's start off with the cube. Now a cube is made up of squares. Okay, so 2D shapes are flat. So there's my 2D, it's flat, isn't it? And then my cube is three-dimensional, okay, it's not flat. So a cube is made up of squares. Okay, a square has four sides which are the same size, okay, they're equal, same size as a square. So my cube, look at the properties of a cube. So a cube will have faces, okay, the faces are the square faces, and they have corners which are also called vertices. Now one corner is called a vertex and more than one is vertices. Don't worry too much for that. So then we have the edges. So the edges all meet to the corners. So a cube, I need your help now. If you can find a cube in your house, super duper. We're going to count the corners. So I want you to count with me. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a cube has 8 corners or 8 vertices. Okay. Then the faces, let's count the faces. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 faces. Okay, and 8 corners. Okay, so that's a cube. Okay, shout it, cube, cube. Now let's see, I don't know if I've got a cube in my box, my bag. Because, now this is not really a cube because if you look, that is a square, but these aren't equal, are they? So that's another shape. I don't think I have a cube. No. Okay, so let's go on to the next one then. If cuboid, now cuboid is similar to a cube, but it only has 2 square faces. Can you see? There's a square there and a square there. The rest of the shapes, the faces, are a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. So let's have a look at a rectangle. That's a 2D, that's flat. Okay, rectangle, cuboid. Okay, so cuboid is not flat. Okay, so cuboid has, let's count the corners. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, cuboid has 8 corners just like the cube. So cube, cuboid. Okay, let's have a look at the faces. It's got 2 square faces and then it's got rectangle faces. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 and 2 make how many? Count my fingers. 4 plus 2 is 6. Excellent. So a cuboid has 6 faces and 8 corners. Excellent. So cuboid. Now, I'm going to dig deep now. You need to help me. Is this a cuboid? How can we check that this is a cuboid? Whoa! How can we check? Well, firstly, what faces has it got? It's got 2 faces there. And it's got rectangle faces. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's got 6 faces. And let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. okay? Just like this cuboid. Cuboids can come in different sizes, okay? So we've got this one. See if I can find a small. Now, they can cut like this, okay? Yes, it looks different, doesn't it? It's thinner, but it's still made up of 2 square faces, can you see? And then rectangular faces, because a rectangle, 2 short side, 2 long, okay? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exactly the same. So cuboid, say it, cuboid. Cuboid, they can look different. Let's see if I've got another one. Again, it's a cuboid. These are all cuboid. You can see all my so cuboid. Okay, exactly the same, but they look a bit different. Okay, they're the same 3D shape. So that's cuboid. Got a lot of cuboids. Oh, and then a toothpaste box. Cuboid. Square, square, and then 4 rectangular faces. Okay, that's your cuboid. Right, so we've looked at cube, we've looked at a cuboid, and now we're going to look at a cylinder. Can you say cylinder? Now a cylinder, has it got corners? Have a little look for me. Has it got corners? No. Okay. It's a cylinder is made up of, what's this 2D shape? What's this one? Flat, 2-dimensional. It's a circle. So a cylinder has 2 circular faces, so 2 circular, and 1 curved, because it curves all the way round, which means there's no corners. So a cylinder has no corners, but 2 flat faces and 1 circular face. Okay, let's see if I've got any in my bag. My bag of junk. Oh, Miss Young's favourite. Pringles. So a Pringle box, let's check. There's our wooden cylinder. So has this got a circle? Yes, there's 1 circle there and a circle there. So it's got 2 circular and it's got 1 curved. So this is a cylinder. Oh, let's have a look. Circle. So 1 flat circle face, another flat circle face, and then 1 curved face. So this is a cylinder. Can you say it's cylinder? Now cylinders, again, just like the cuboid, can come in different sizes. So let's have a look. Right, so here's Miss Young's cream. It's finished now. So it's a squashed cylinder, I suppose. So it's got circular face, circular, so flat, flat, then 1 curved. So it's a cylinder. Okay. Whoops. Oh. Also, a can is a cylinder because it's got a circular, flat, flat, circular, and 1 curved. Right, so we've looked at cuboid, we've looked at cube, and cylinder. Now, let's have a look. Now this one is called a cone. A cone has 1 flat face, because it's flat, a circular bottom, and then it's got 1 curved, goes round and round, just like the cylinder, and it's got 1 corner. Okay, so that's a cone, just like an ice cream cone. I haven't got any examples in my box. This is a tricky, we don't really get boxes, do we, of cones? But have a look around your house, see if you can find any cones. So a cone will have a flat circular bottom and 1 curved face with 1 corner. That is a cone. Right, now this one is a tricky one, it's a bit small. It's called a triangular prism. Can you say it? A triangular prism. Okay, now what 2D shape is this? It's flat, it's a triangle. So a triangular prism is made up of 2 triangles. So 1 triangular face, 2, so it's 2 flat faces. Then it has another 1, 2, 3. So 3 and 2 make 5. So it has 5 faces. Let's look at the corners. These ones have got corners. Our others didn't do it. It's got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 and 3 makes 6. Excellent. It's the same as double 3 is 6. So that's a triangular prism. Say it, triangular prism. Now, Miss Young was able to find, I don't know if you know, Miss Young loves chocolate. And here it is. A Toblerone box is a triangular prism. It's in the shop. I was like, oh, I'm going to buy this for maths. That's my excuse. So we've got a triangle face there and one here. And we've got a flat face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's check the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a triangular prism. Okay. Then we have one more. Oh, there's another cylinder. Can you see? It's a bit shorter, but it's the same shape. Oh, where's it gone now? Right. Now this one is a sphere. Can you say it's sphere? Now it's a ball. A ball is a sphere. Okay. No corners. Just one curved face because it goes round and round and round. Okay. No corners. It's a sphere. Okay. Now you've been doing super listening. I know it's a bit not boring listening. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly show some, and I want you to just shout out the 3D shapes. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go through them. We've got cube, cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, triangular prism, and a cone. Oh, there's one more which is similar to a cone. Hang on. I don't know if I've got one. It's a pyramid. So a pyramid. Oh, I haven't got one. So a pyramid, similar to a cone, but it's got square based. I know what you can do. You can Google the pyramids in Egypt, and that is a pyramid shape. Okay. So are you ready? Are you steady? Go. What's this shape? Go, go, go. Cylinder! Cylinder! Oh, this is a tricky one. I want to say it's a cube, but I feel it's a cuboid because these are longer. They're not as square. So that's a cuboid. Ready? Go. Cuboid! Yes! Cylinder! Remember, it can come in different... Look at the corners. It's a cuboid! Cube. What about a shoebox? Shoebox is a cuboid. Well done, guys. Yeah, just thought I'd do a little video for you. Missing you all. Can't wait till we all come back to school. Fingers crossed it's not long. But yes, we've got to be safe, I'm afraid. But hope you're being good for your grown-ups, and I will see you soon. Bye.